In this video, you'll learn how to create metadata for your NFT collection without writing a single line of code. At this stage, you should have your images and optional animations in a folder. Please note that your images do need to be labeled properly and in the order of which they'll be minted. The correct format is to start with 1.png and continue your collection from there. If you still need to do this, for larger collections, select all of your photos, right-click, and rename them. Rename them using the Format option. Enter a space in the Format section and start the count at 1. Then, select all again and rename, but this time replace text. In the Find section, enter another space and leave the Replace With section empty. This will delete the spaces that you entered previously. Now that your files are organized properly, you're ready to upload to IPFS. Head to the website nft.storage and go to their Document section to find the download option for NFT Up. After downloading the app, create an account and upload the folder of your images. Once your files are uploaded, you will receive a CID. Copy your CID, then head back to Mint Foundry to get started on creating your metadata. Create a new collection, name it, and provide details on what type of smart contract you plan to deploy. Next, add bulk tokens, name them, provide a description, and paste your CID. Add attributes or traits that all NFTs in your collection will share. For generative collections, we advise on only entering the trait names and leaving the value fields empty to fill in later for individual images. You're also provided with a custom field in case you have any other details you want to include, such as skill levels in a video game. But we'll skip that for now. Continue and you'll see all of your images appear. Now it's time to individually edit each NFT. Edit the image and head to the Attributes tab. Enter the trait values that you may have previously left blank. If you need to edit the custom fields, you can do that here as well. And lastly, if you wanted gated or unlockable content to be accessed with this NFT, you can add that here too. Now that we're done with token number 1, we'll continue on for the rest of this collection and enter the necessary information. And as you can imagine, it's a lot of repetition, but that's only for large or generative collections. Once you've filled out the metadata details for all of the NFTs, it's time to activate your collection. Start your trial or subscribe to Mint Foundry, then activate the collection. This will generate your base token URI, which goes directly into your smart contract, powering the images, animations, and metadata of your collection. Alternatively, if you want to freeze your metadata and make it uneditable post-mint, you can also upload directly to IPFS or export your JSON files. We'll export for this demo, and as you can see, the metadata is named and organized in the same format as the images. If you want to triple check things, you can open the files and see the metadata that we generated earlier within Mint Foundry. If you need to add team members to your project, add their email addresses here. If you're creating a system to automate the metadata updates, you have the ability to generate an API key. These can be extremely useful when building a video game, leveling system, and more. If interested, you can play our recreation of the video game Doom, which uses dynamic NFTs powered by Mint Foundry. A link for this will be provided in the description. Last and definitely not least, after subscribing to Mint Foundry, you also get a free subscription to Mintplex by generating your unique redemption code here. Now that you're ready to generate your smart contract, head over to Mintplex for another simple, no-code solution. If you ever get stuck, check out our documents and FAQs linked in the description below. Don't be afraid to reach out to our support team using the chat box on the bottom right-hand side of Mint Foundry. This video is only the tip of the iceberg of Mintplex's features, and we strongly encourage you to dive deeper into our tool suite to see what's possible. Congratulations on creating your metadata, and good luck with your mint.